Is stretching before exercise really necessary for beginners?
Stretching before exercise is a common routine for many starting out in fitness. But how important is it, especially for beginners? In this guide, we'll explore what the science says about pre-workout stretching, common misconceptions, and whether it truly benefits those new to exercise.
What is stretching, and why do people do it?
Stretching involves lengthening different muscles to improve flexibility and prepare the body for movement. Many believe it reduces injury and soreness, making it a traditional part of warm-ups. However, not all types of stretching serve the same purpose, and their effects can differ depending on when and how they're used.
Static versus dynamic stretching, what's the difference?
Static stretching means holding a position for several seconds, while dynamic stretching involves movement that gently warms up muscles. Research shows that for beginners, dynamic stretching, like arm circles or leg swings, may better prepare the body for activity and help improve performance compared to static stretches before exercise.
Does stretching prevent injuries?
Contrary to popular belief, stretching alone does not significantly reduce the risk of injuries, especially for those just starting out. Studies suggest that a proper warm-up, which raises heart rate and gently activates muscles, is more effective. Stretching can still be useful for flexibility, but should not replace a warm-up tailored to the activity.
What do beginners really need?
Beginners benefit most from dynamic warm-ups that gradually increase movement and prepare joints for exercise. Incorporating light aerobic activity, like brisk walking or marching in place, followed by dynamic stretching, is recommended. Static stretching is best saved for after workouts, when muscles are warm and more receptive to flexibility gains.
Key takeaways on pre-workout stretching.
The stretching before exercise is not strictly necessary for beginners, especially static stretching. A dynamic warm-up is more effective at preparing the body and boosting performance. Focus on movement-based stretches before your workout and use static stretching after for best results in your fitness journey.